The UK jobs market, a picture of contradictions, navigating uncertain waters amidst rising wages and data concerns. The UK's employment landscape is presenting a complex and somewhat contradictory picture, leaving policymakers and economists grappling with uncertainty. While recent figures paint a seemingly positive picture of wage growth, underlying data quality issues are casting a significant shadow, raising serious concerns about the reliability of crucial economic indicators. The Office for National Statistics, ONS, reported a robust 5.9% increase in wages over the 3 months to February, a figure that initially suggests a healthy labor market. However, this seemingly positive trend is juxtaposed with a concerning drop in employment. The number of people employed in at least one PAYE job plummeted by a significant 78,000 in March, following a revised decrease of 8,000 in February. This decline is a stark reminder of the economic headwinds facing the UK. The ONS itself has issued a cautionary note, highlighting significant challenges in the accuracy of its official jobs market statistics. The primary culprit? Low response rates to the crucial labor force survey. This troubling admission throws a considerable wrench into the machinery of economic policymaking. Experts are increasingly vocal in their concerns, warning that policymakers are essentially flying blind, making critical decisions based on data that may be fundamentally flawed. The ramifications of this data deficiency are far-reaching, potentially leading to policy errors with significant consequences for the UK economy. This uncertainty is further amplified by the anxieties voiced by business leaders earlier this year. Following the tax increases announced in Chancellor Jeremy Hunt's October budget, businesses across the country anticipated job cuts and constrained wage growth. Surveys conducted at the beginning of 2024 indicated that companies were slashing jobs at a pace not seen since the 2008 financial crisis, excluding the exceptional circumstances of the COVID-19 pandemic. The impact hasn't been evenly distributed. Businesses operating in typically lower-paying sectors, such as hospitality, leisure, and retail, have expressed the most significant concerns, anticipating the most substantial negative impact from the economic slowdown. The Bank of England echoed these concerns last month, reporting that employers were actively freezing hiring plans, a clear indication of the prevailing economic uncertainty. Despite these worrying trends, a note of cautious optimism is offered by some analysts. Employment continued to cool, but it hasn't collapsed as the dire warnings from some business surveys suggested, observed Ashley Webb, a UK economist at Capital Economics. This observation highlights the inherent difficulties in interpreting the available data and the need for a nuanced understanding of the current economic climate. The discrepancy between the headline wage growth figure and the decline in employment underscores the challenges in drawing definitive conclusions about the health of the UK jobs market. The current situation calls for a cautious approach. The apparent strength in wage growth must be viewed in the context of significant data limitations and the concurrent decline in employment. Policymakers need to acknowledge the inherent uncertainties and actively seek to improve the quality and reliability of the data used to inform crucial economic decisions. The UK's economic future hinges on a clear-eyed assessment of the current situation, one that acknowledges both the positive and negative signals and prioritizes data integrity above all else. The challenge lies in navigating these complex and often contradictory signals to formulate effective economic policies that address the needs of businesses and workers alike. Until the data quality issues are addressed, the UK's economic policymakers will continue to navigate uncertain waters. The need for robust, reliable data is paramount. Without it, the risk of making critical errors in policymaking remains significant. The future of the UK economy depends on it.